Lena, full of youthful energy, skateboards down a bustling city street. Maya walks alongside her, sketchbook in hand, absorbing the urban landscape. Lena, pointing excitedly at a nearby wall, shouts, "Look, that wall is begging for some color." Maya hesitates, questioning. "A mural? Here? I don't know, Lena." In a brightly lit art studio, Lena passionately throws vibrant colors onto a canvas. Lena shouts, "Be more daring." Nearby, Maya carefully studies a detailed sketch. Maya quietly replies, "Consider the finer details." Under the pale moonlight, Lena confidently approaches the entrance of the dilapidated warehouse as Maya nervously follows. Lena challenges Maya's fears. "Come on, Maya. It's just an old warehouse. What's the worst that could happen?" Maya trembles, her voice filled with dread. "That's what I'm afraid of. It's supposed to be haunted, Lena. I don't like this." A figure emerges from the darkness, its voice a chilling warning. "You shouldn't be here." Lena stands firm, staring defiantly at the figure. Seizing the moment, Lena grabs Maya's hand, and together, they flee towards the exit.